Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today I'm here to explain the word relativity and the first theory about the relativity here. Uh, Actually, the word relativity meaning in Urdu is mutabikat or ke mutabik. Okay, so firstly, when physicists are working on it and they have some idea about relativity, then the Galileo is the first one who has its theory and he proposed his principles and his theory about relativity. So the Galilean principle of relativity tells us about the laws of motion are same in all inertial frame of reference, and as you know that the inertial frame of references are those frame of references in which acceleration is equal to zero because they are non-accelerating. So if I'm considering a reference frame which is at rest, it is also non-inertial, and if I am considering a reference frame which is moving with a uniform velocity, then it is also a non-inertial frame. So if we drop a ball, let's say if we drop a ball from the perspective of us, then the ball is fall downward straight, but for the observer which are traveling by some mean, let's say it's on aeroplane or in the train, the ball appears to them will be different. So for us it will be straight downward, and for the car the ball is obeying the curved path. For aeroplane, the passenger on the aeroplane observe that the ground uh, uh, is moving beneath them with the constant speed. So they observe the ball is traveling in a long arc. These are the observer, and all the observer which are disagree uh, on the velocity, momentum, kinetic energy. So they only agree on the time, the size of the ball, the mass of the ball, and the law of nature, that are the Newton's law. If the moving observer drops the ball while moving, either in car or in the aeroplane, they will they will see the ball in is moving in which is vertically downward. These are all the examples of the inertial frame of references. Elevator, if we take the example of elevator, when the elevator is moving upward, passenger feel a downward pull, and when the car is accelerating forward, the passenger feels a pull backward. When the car is taking the turn, then the acceleration is towards the inward because it is centripetal, and uh, and the passenger feel a pull which is outward. So passenger in all these three cases feels a fictitious pulling force on them in opposite direction of the motion, and this means that the passenger uh, in an accelerating frame has a different laws of motion. So for accelerating frame, if we have non-inertial frame, then the Newton's second law of motion is written as F is equal to ma plus fictitious, मतलब extra term इसमें हम add कर देंगे. It's a fictitious force which we can add in the non-inertial frame in order to predict the motion of an object correctly in the non-inertial frame. So that's it. We have a little bit idea about the relativity and inertial and non-inertial frames here. So for further information and for further clearance of the concept, you have to see my next video. You have to you have to stay tuned with me. So thanks for watching, and Allah Hafiz.